Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever noticed that the lyrics in Hindi songs might not display as expected, here's how to fix or customize them. First, open the Spotify on your mobile device, then go and search for a Hindi song. If the lyrics don't show up in Hindi, check the song language settings. To do that, you have to go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the top left, tap on settings, and tap on the search bar at the top and search app language. Then tap on app language and continue. And from here, you can select your preferred language and set it to Hindi. For songs with incorrect lyrics, Spotify lets you report the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.